Hey guys, if you want to make your first million or make it again and again, hard work alone won't do it. Neither will just saving money. What you actually need is to understand the 5 levels of wealth. Most people get stuck at level 1 or 2 and never move past it. Once you understand these 5 pillars and use them in order, building wealth stops being luck. It becomes a formula. So let's break it down. All 5 right now. Pillar 1, survival. This is where everyone starts. The only question at this level is, how do I make money? You trade your time for a paycheck, 8 hours, 10 hours, and the second you stop working, the money stops too. There's nothing wrong with being here. Every wealthy person on earth started at Pillar 1. The danger is staying here for 20 years and expecting Pillar 5 results. Pillar 2, skill. This is where the game changes. At this level, the question isn't, how much am I getting paid? It's, what am I becoming? People stuck at Pillar 1 chase a paycheck. People at Pillar 2 chase skill, because skill is the one asset nobody can take from you. The better you get, the more valuable your time becomes. And the more valuable your time becomes, the faster you climb. Pillar 3, value. Here's something most people never realize. The market doesn't pay you for effort, it pays you for value. At Pillar 3, the question becomes, what real problem can I solve for people? Someone can work backbreaking hours all day and earn almost nothing. Someone else solves one expensive, painful problem and earns 10 times more in a fraction of the time. Stop asking how hard you're working. Start asking how much value you're creating. Pillar 4, leverage. This is where wealth actually explodes. Without leverage, 1 hour of your work creates 1 result. With leverage, 1 hour of work can create results for 100 people, 1,000 people, even 1,000,000 people. Here it is again, but now let me actually break it down for you. Value times scale. Value means, how much is what you're offering actually worth to one person? Scale means, how many people can you reach with it without adding more of your own time? So watch this. A $100 product sold to 10,000 people, that's $1 million. A $10,000 product sold to only 100 people, that's also $1 million. Same result, 2 completely different paths. One path needs mass reach, the other needs high value. And leverage is what lets you get either one without working 100 times harder. That's why once you understand this equation, $1 million stops sounding impossible and starts sounding like simple math. Pillar 5, platform. This is the final pillar, the one almost nobody reaches. At Pillar 1, you ask, how do I make money? At Pillar 5, the question flips completely. How do I build something where other people can also make money? This is what separates a business from an empire. You're not just creating wealth for yourself anymore. You're building a system, a platform, a machine that creates wealth for everyone who plugs into it. So here's my question for you, and I actually want you to answer this in the comments. Which pillar are you on right now? Type it below. I read every single comment, and I want to know exactly where you're starting from.